I'm Patrick O'Neill with the International Space Station U.S. National Laboratory, and we are on site at the Palo Alto Veterans Affairs Medical Center, where researchers will be launching a tissue engineering investigation to the orbiting laboratory on Northrop Grumman's 16th Commercial Resupply Services mission. So what do you say we go inside and get an idea about the science that they will be sending and the impacts that it might have towards humanity?
Our lab is a tissue engineering lab, and we focus on using engineered tissues for treating different diseases and for different biomedical applications. When we learned about the opportunity to send our work into space, we were really curious to know how engineered tissues can be used to study this process known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is an age-related muscle wasting syndrome that occurs at the later stages of life. In microgravity, since we know that so many things get accelerated in that kind of setting, and we also know from the astronauts that they have to work out so that their muscles and bones do not functionally decline, microgravity could accelerate that process of sarcopenia, so that instead of taking decades on Earth, maybe it will just take on the order of about a week. So we thought we would be able to try to use engineered muscles in space as a way to study sarcopenia. Our engineered muscles are muscles that are composed of human muscle progenitor cells that are cultured on these really unique kinds of scaffolds that coax them to organize in parallel organization so that they mimic the native structure of skeletal muscle. This platform would be able to show some important qualities of sarcopenia in microgravity, and if that is proven to be true, then we can use this as a platform for doing drug screening experiments and expedite the process of being able to find drugs that can treat sarcopenia on Earth. We hope that this will inspire the next generation of researchers to think the impossible, where gravity is no longer the limit.
This is one of many investigations launching to the ISS sponsored by the National Laboratory on Northrop Grumman's CRS-16. These investigations intend to bring value to our nation and drive a robust and sustainable market in low Earth orbit. To get an idea about all investigations sponsored by the National Lab on Northrop Grumman's CRS-16, please visit issnationallab.org.